Hey friends, Christy here from Crafty Christy's Creations. And today we are jumping in the deep end and we are going to be talking about trademarks and how to find if the SVG design you're using can actually be applied to the product that you want to use. So this is the US Patent and Trademark Office. And we're going to come over here to search trademarks. And this is the trademark electronic search system. So we're going to click on this how to use. And I just want to show you that this walks you through how to do a search with the system. You can do a basic word mark search, which is what we're going to do today. But then you can also do some more advanced searching, which would be more structured here or free form to find a word and or a design search. But like I said, we're just going to do the basic word mark search. And so we're just going to click here and head on over to the TESS system. So this is the trademark electronic search system. And so you can Google and find this and then just go ahead and favorite this page because as crafters, unfortunately, we need to get real comfortable with using the trademark database to make sure the work that we're doing is legal. So we're going to go over here to the basic word mark search. And so you've got options here. You can do plural and singular, and then you can search either alive and dead or either or. So I'm going to search for just live trademarks, and we're going to leave single and plural, and I'm going to do hashtag Momlife. No, it doesn't like that hashtag being in there. So let's just do Momlife, submit query. And so when you see here, this is the serial number and registration number of the trademark. This is the word mark that they're using. And then here's the status here as live. And you can see here's one that is hashtag Momlife. So let's take a look at this. And this right here shows you what it is. Like this is the logo, basically, or the design. And you can see this hashtag Momlife is marked for goods and services. It's marked as t-shirts, tank tops, hooded sweatshirts, and hats. And it was first used in 2015. So it's a standard character mark, meaning it's basically just the text. And down here, this is the owner. So this is who you would need to contact if you wanted to, use their trademark, get a license from them or something. But you can see, this one is used. So what does this mean to you? This means that you can go and purchase a hashtag Momlife SVG, but you cannot put it on a t-shirt, tank top, hooded sweatshirt, or hat based on this trademark. So let's go back and see what else is in here. It's nice to kind of look at some different ones here. Here's another one, Momlife Studio. So this is another standard character mark, just, using the words here. And this covers educational entertainment services and fitness classes. So you could not name your yoga studio Momlife Studio because that would be trademarked. So let's go back here again. Let's see, what if we do, let's just do Mom Space Life. And when you do that, you get a lot more listings here. And none of those really look like what we want. So let's come back here to new user. We're going to back up a bit. And I'm going to use singular, plural, And then now here I'm going to do mom space life and submit query. And then when you do that, you've got 84 records found. So here's another one, mom space life. And again, here is what it is. It's a standard character mark for shoes. So you cannot use mom life on shoes because it is trademarked by this company here from California. And then I want to show you something a little bit different here. Let's look at this one, the CEO life, wife, mom, CEO. And this one you can see is a bit different. This looks more like an actual logo here. So this is the word mark. So you cannot use the word the CEO life, wife, mom, CEO because it is trademarked on bottoms as clothing, headwear, tops as clothing, and undergarments. First used in 2019. And it's also trademarked for educational services, seminars, trainings, basically about personal development and business development. And then the mark drawing code is the design plus words, letters, and numbers. So not only can you not use, you couldn't use CEO with this funky O, and you can't use like CEO life that has a briefcase and this woman here that is, or anything that's really similar to this, you cannot use on these types of clothing or as a logo for educational programs. So here it explains all the different elements that are in the trademarked logo here. So you need to stay away from all of these things here. So I hope that makes it a little more clear as to how to use the TESS system and whether or not you can use an SVG file that you purchase. But as you've noticed, nowhere in here do any of these say that a vector file saying this word is trademarked, meaning the SVG designer can make the design because it can be used on an array of things. So I'm, as a designer, am safe to make something that says hashtag Momlife, and you, as the crafter who's making the end product, needs to make sure that you know that you cannot put that on clothing because it's trademarked on clothing, but you can put it on a laptop or on a tumbler or a coffee cup because it wasn't trademarked there. So this is just to show you how to go through the TESS system and look at trademarks. Now, I am not a trademark specialist or an attorney. If you're doing this for a business, I highly recommend you get some actual training from a trademark attorney to make sure that your business is legitimate. This is just to show you how to use this database to the best of my knowledge and my understanding of how to interpret what this means. So I hope you found this helpful. And if you did, make sure you click like and subscribe to Crafty Kirsty's Creations so you don't miss out on any future how-to videos.